Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the G4 notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the G4 notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery and hard disk drive. Removal: peel the Mylar cover off of the hard disk drive. Disconnect the hard disk drive adapter cable from its connector on the hard disk drive. Remove the 2 rubber isolators from the hard disk drive. Important: make careful note of the orientation of each rubber isolator for later replacement. Place the hard disk drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement: remove the hard disk drive from the static dissipative bag. Replace the 2 rubber isolators onto the hard disk drive. Connect the hard disk drive adapter cable to its connector on the hard disk drive. Align the Mylar cover with the edges of the hard disk drive and place the Mylar cover onto the hard disk drive. Gently press down on the corners of the Mylar cover to adhere it to the hard disk drive.